Japan's Fair Trade Commission, JFTC, has given the green light to Microsoft's $68.7 billion acquisition of gaming giant Activision Blizzard. This decision marks a significant milestone in the approval process, allowing the merger to move forward as planned. Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard, announced in January 2022, is expected to reshape the gaming landscape by bringing some of the industry's most popular franchises, including Call of Duty, Overwatch, and World of Warcraft, under the Microsoft umbrella. The move is also seen as an effort to bolster Microsoft's gaming division and its subscription-based gaming service, Xbox Game Pass. The approval from Japan's competition regulator follows similar decisions by regulatory bodies in other countries. The acquisition has already received clearance from authorities in the United States, European Union, and South Korea. Critics of the merger have expressed concerns about the potential concentration of power within the gaming industry, as well as the impact on competition and consumer choice. However, the JFTC found no reason to block the deal, concluding that it would not substantially restrain competition in Japan's gaming market. Microsoft and Activision Blizzard will continue to seek approvals from other relevant regulatory authorities worldwide as they work towards finalizing the acquisition. Thanks for watching. Leave a like to help spread the word.